umama ubehambile esonyazini lwezulu uyothela
lezulu.
kusho lona unyazi
Yes, he said so.
yilo lokuthumela
He's the one who sent you here.
ukuthi bozothola indawo
Come and get a street.
unyazi lwezulu
Yes, lezulu.
kanti uhambile wayekulo
He went to him.
uma ufika kulona bathini unyazi lwezulu
What did he say?
hamba kuyena
Glory.
kusho unyazi lwezulu
Yes, lezulu.
njengokulapha nje uthunyele ushebe
As you
unyazi
hear,
lwezulu
you are sent by his lezulu.
uthini-ke wena
What did you say?
uthunyele ushebe uyisholo yena ngithi
She's saying it herself.
uthunyele ushebe
Sent by
unyazi
Shep.
lwezulu lathi
Yes,
woza
lezulu.
uqala
Go to cloud.
njengoba uzofuna intambo yani
As you hear, they're looking for a street.
yani intambo emhlophe uthe nje hamba ufuna intambo
Go
qala
look for a street.
ngithini-ke nini
What do you say?
uthini-ke wena lapha ekhaya
What do you say at home?
njengoba ekhona ngizomenzela njengokwenkosi unyazi lwezulu
As the Lord, yes, lezulu
okuyilona elumthumele la
is the one who sent it.
zenzeka izinto bayaphila abantu
People live.
ayiphiwa le nto ngeke
I was
uyithathe le
given this thing. You
shaya ihlombe kikiza
Alisa.
ngiyabenzela
I'm
intambo
doing a street for
njengokuthunywa kwakhe
as you
unyazi
are
lwezulu
sent by yes, lezulu.